Hey guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Now, people talk about reliability in a BMW way too often. They truly feel that these are the worst cars ever. You know, coming to buying this car that I'm in right now, so a 2008 335i, I bought it with 92,000 miles 5 years ago. So I hit that 5-year mark, which I'll be sharing those ownership costs here very soon. And, you know, having 156,000 miles on it right at this second. This car has truly been the best car I've ever owned as far as reliability goes. Yeah, I've had some maintenance things that have came up, but with the simple DIY and doing that here on my channel, that has truly helped so many other people like that. So all the major DIYs that I've done, you know, of course I have them here at the channel. I'll post the playlist right up here at the top so you can go ahead and check out the DIY playlist. But there's more to that as far as reliability goes on this platform. It's doing a lot of the other preventative maintenance stuff ahead of time before your car physically breaks. So the guide that I've been following as far as to do that preventative maintenance, you know, that's a big thing that you want to make sure to do. And that preventative maintenance is that you're replacing those parts that are the lifespan that BMW recommends, like O2 sensors, 100,000 miles. You know, if your O2 sensors are perfectly fine, just replace them if they're original and they're at that 100,000 mile mark. That's a simple thing. You know, plugs and coils. So stuff like that is gonna truly help your ownership experience through and through as far as to having that great driving experience. And that way you're not always like fixing your car. So the last thing that you wanna have to do is always be fixing your BMW and you can never enjoy it. Now, definitely all does start with finding the right BMW and going through all those checks and balances. So I have that video and I'm gonna post it up at the top. You wanna make sure to check all those things so that way you get into something that is worth your time and you're not stuck with basically like a lemon car. Well guys, I just wanna share that you can have a BMW and it could be reliable, and yeah, things may break or some things that come up, but so do the process via DIY so that way you can save that money and, you know, put that money back in your pocket for other parts that you need or any modifications or anything else like that. That is something that will help you, and, you know, it's something that, you know, if things do come up, you can fix them yourself. Well guys, I truly enjoy owning the BMW and it has been a great car for me here. I'm looking forward to adding another BMW to my collection that I will bring here on the channel. It will be performance oriented, so you will have that. It will be in line with what this channel is all about, so that way I can share those new DIYs and new things to look out for in different aspects, because it will be a different engine of mine, which I am still keeping that 335i, so I'll still have the N54 here, of course. Well guys, appreciate everything that you do. Thank you for tuning in and watching in. Please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment below. Take care.